Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Could you help me for a second?
Of course. What do you need?
Would you mind taking a photo of me?
Not at all. Say cheese.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Are you visiting the city?
Yes. Can you recommend a good cafe, please?
There's a lovely one right there.
Perfect. Thank you. That's so kind.
My pleasure. Enjoy your day.
Did you hear them? Excuse me. Sorry. Could you? Would you mind? Please. Thank you so much. My pleasure. The magic words, everywhere. Listen to these two sentences. Give me some water. And, could I have some water, please? Same request. Same water. But one sounds like an order, and one sounds like a friend. The difference? A few small words. In English, being polite is not about big, difficult vocabulary. It's about a handful of tiny, magic words. And today, you'll learn all of them. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. This is day 16 of our 30-day English practice challenge, and today we learn the magic words, the little words that make people want to help you and smile while they do it. I say every phrase, and after it there is a pause. That pause is for you. Say the phrase out loud. Let's begin. Part 1. Please and thank you. These are the first magic words every child learns because they work. Start with please. Add it to any request, and it becomes polite. Can I have the menu, please? Repeat after me. Can I have the menu, please? Notice, in English, please usually goes at the end. That's the natural place. And after someone helps you, always say thank you. But let's make it warmer. Thank you so much. Thank you so much is warmer than just thanks. People feel it. And when someone thanks you, don't stay silent. Answer. You're welcome. Part 2. Excuse me and sorry. These two are different, and this is important. Use excuse me before to get attention or to pass by someone. Excuse me. Can you help me? Repeat after me. Excuse me. Can you help me? Excuse me. Before you speak to a stranger. Before you walk past someone. Now, sorry is for after. When something is wrong, or you didn't hear. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Repeat after me. Sorry, I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that means I didn't hear you. Very natural, very useful. And here's a beautiful one. You say it before you ask a busy person for help. Sorry to bother you. Repeat after me. Sorry to bother you. In English, sorry often doesn't mean you did something bad. It just means, I know you're busy, and I'm being polite. Part 3. Soft requests. This is the real secret of polite English. Don't give orders. Turn them into questions. Watch. Instead of help me, say, could you help me, please? Repeat after me. Could you help me, please? Could you is softer and kinder than can you. Use it with strangers, at work, anywhere you want to sound polite. And for an even softer request, use this. Would you mind opening the window? Repeat after me. Would you mind opening the window? Would you mind? Is very gentle. It's perfect for asking a small favor. And when you want something for yourself, could I have a glass of water? Repeat after me. Could I have a glass of water? Could I? Not give me. Remember, the longer and softer the sentence, the more polite it sounds. Part 4. Little kind words. These tiny phrases make you sound warm and natural. First, at a door, or in a line, Let the other person go first. After you. You hold the door, you smile, you say it. People love this. Next, when someone says sorry or thank you, and it's no big problem. No problem. Easy, friendly, relaxed. And a warmer answer. When you were happy to help. It's my pleasure. Repeat after me. It's my pleasure. Part 5. Saying no, politely. Sometimes you have to say no, but nobody likes a hard no. So make it soft. When someone offers you something, no, thank you, not just no. No, thank you, with a smile. It's still no, but it's kind. And when you can't do something, I'm afraid I can't. Repeat after me. I'm afraid I can't. I'm afraid I can't is much softer than no, I can't. The words I'm afraid make it gentle. And to end on a hopeful note. Maybe next time. Repeat after me. Maybe next time. Part 6. Real conversation. Watch the magic words work together. A person asking a stranger for a small favor. First, just listen.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Could you help me for a second?
Of course. What do you need?
Would you mind taking a photo of me?
Not at all. Say cheese.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Are you visiting the city?
Yes. Can you recommend a good cafe, please?
There's a lovely one right there.
Perfect. Thank you. That's so kind.
My pleasure. Enjoy your day.
Did you hear them? Excuse me. Sorry. Could you? Would you mind? Please. Thank you so much. My pleasure. The magic words, everywhere. Now it's your turn. I am a friendly stranger. You need a small favor. Answer in the pauses. Ready? Stop me politely. Yes? How can I help you? Ask me to help, softly, with could you or would you mind? Of course. No problem at all. Now thank me, warmly. You're very welcome. Anything else? Say no, politely, and say goodbye. You too. Take care. Wonderful. You just asked for help, politely, warmly, and perfectly, in English. Here is your challenge for today. In the comments, make a request. Politely, use could you? Or would you mind? For example, could you help me practice English, please? And tell me, how do you say please and thank you in your language? I love learning that. I read the comments, and I will reply to you. Day 16. Complete. You did a great job today. These little words are small, but they open big doors. If this lesson helped you, press the like button and subscribe for day 17. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.